team. Assalamu alaikum, productivity enthusiasts and tech savvy learners. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we make learning engaging and inspiring. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of macros in MS Word. Macros can automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Ready to supercharge your efficiency? Let's get started. Section number 1, Introduction to Macros. What are macros? Macros are sequences of actions that you can record and save, then play back to perform repetitive tasks automatically. This can include formatting text and inserting commonly used blocks of text or applying specific styles. How to get started with macros? To get started with macros, you will first need to enable the developer tab. If it's not already visible, go to the File tab, click on More, then choose Options, select Customize ribbon, check the box next to Developer tab, click OK. Now that the Developer tab is visible, we are ready to record our first macro. Section number 2, Recording a macro. How to record a macro and create a macro. To record a macro, go to the Developer tab, click on Record Macro, give your macro a name, header, then click OK. Once you click OK, Word will start recording your actions. Type your header text, format it as you like. Go to the Insert tab, click on Header, then select Blank. Use of macros in MS Word, then format it. Go to the Home tab, change the font size, bold it, then italic, underline, and change the font color. Then go to the Developer tab and click on Stop Recording. Congratulations! You have just recorded your first macro. Let's see how it works. Section number 3, Running a macro. How to run a macro. To run your macro, you can either use the keyboard shortcut you assigned or go to the Developer tab, click Macros, select your macro and click Run. Word will automatically perform all the actions you recorded, saving your time and ensuring consistency. Section number 4, Editing a macro. How to edit a macro? Sometimes you may need to edit a macro to refine its actions. To edit a macro, go to the Developer tab, click on Macros, select your macro, click on Edit. This opens the Visual Basic application editor where you can modify the code. Editing macros requires some knowledge of real basic for applications, but for simple macros, understanding the recorded actions can be enough to make minor adjustments. Section number 5, using macro buttons. How to add a button to ribbon. For quick access, you can add a button to your toolbar or ribbon that runs your macro. Go to the File tab, click on More, then choose Options, then select Quick Access toolbar. Choose Macros from the list of commands. Select your macro and click Add. Click on OK. Now you can run your macro with a single click right from your toolbar or ribbon. Section number 6, practical uses of macros. In which tasks macros can be used? Macros can be used for a variety of tasks, such as formatting documents consistently, inserting standard text blocks, applying specific styles, automating repetitive tasks like creating labels or lists. Create a macro. Let's create a macro that formats a block of text with a specific style. Go to the Developer tab, record macro, give your macro a name, text, click on OK, write your text. Macros can be used for variety of tasks such as inserting do- standard text blocks, text blocks, formatting documents, automating repetitive tasks. Now format it as you like. Go to the Home tab, change the font size, insert bullets, now go to the Developer tab, stop recording. Now go to the macros and run your macro. By using macros, you can ensure consistency and save time on routine tasks. And that's it for today's lecture on using macros in MS Word. Macros are a powerful tool that can significantly boost your productivity and efficiency. Practice creating and using macros to streamline your workflow. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.